So today it's so windy, you can see that. See? Now, I'm going to tell you what is in this video. Today I'm going to show you my chickies and my brother and sisters. It's the back side of my home. Now, I have built a cage for these chicks. They have water and food, and that tree has nests because the birds live in there. They have made nice. Now see, let's give you a tour of them. How they cage. We have this tool so they can put inside the limestone. And friends, here's the water, and we don't use this place, but we just put beans here. Now, see, this is the tree that birds make their nest. We can't see them because we're down. I think so I find one over there. Oh, I found one. Yes, there. You can't even see it. Now it's better. I can see that. Guys, that is a date tree. It's looking so beautiful over there. If you like my videos, so give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can get a notification when I make a new video. Bye bye guys.